Now let us see the last 25 more questions on the periodic table. Question number 26. What is the question number saying, student? Which of the following set of atomic number represent the representative element? To answer this, we should note what are the representative elements, student. Then only you will be able to answer. Okay. So let us write the representative element. Here is representative elements. Abhi student, representative elements means that is the group, the hmm, group you can write, that is groups, which have, which have all type of element, all types of element, all types of elements. Okay, all types of elements means what, student? That is, it should have solid, liquid, okay, or that is gas. And next one, if you talk about, that is metals, non-metals, okay, non-metals, and lastly metallites. So if any group is having, whatever the block, you can say group, or you can say that is block also, representative elements, you can say the groups, or in bracket you can write here is block also, there is no problem. Which, so this is elements, that is S, and this comes to S and P block element, S and P block elements, S and P block elements, that is except zero group, except zero group, or except either zero group or you say, or 18 group, that is both are same. In Mendeleev periodic table, noble gases are zero group, and here it is 18 group. So student, we have to check with the option. 30 is the zinc, that is, this is D block, so this is the wrong answer. 58 is the cerium is, that is F block, so this is also wrong. Here is 5, 17, 31, okay, and 54. So if you talk about this one, 54 is the group 18, okay, group 18, and group 18 is all is having the noble gases, all are gases, so this is also wrong. 9, 31, 53, all these all are the include solid, liquid, gas, so this is the representative element. So correct option is option number 4. Now let us move for the another example, student. What could be the next question? If you want to move for the next question, what is the next question, student? Which of the following period contain only gases? Only gases. So first period is that having hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen is also gas, okay, helium is also gas. So both are which period, student? Both are period number 1. So correct option will be, that is option number 3. For question number 27, option 3 is correct. Next, question number 28. An element which is represent, recently discovered, recently discovered and placed in 7th period, okay, and 10th group. IPSC name of this element. Ab student, that is what they are saying, that is this question is quite nice. No, they are saying 7th period, okay, 7th period, 10th group, okay. So first of all, student, one thing you always keep in mind, this kind of question is tricky question, okay. So 7th period, we know 7th period, 12th group, okay, 12th group element is there, last element is there, 112, okay. Now if their group is decreasing, so group decreasing how much? So 12, no, group means 12, group how much decreasing? Group 12 to 10, group 12 to 10 means how many? 2 group. So 2 group means element number, atomic number of element, how much atomic number? If you want to go atomic number, what will be? 112 minus 2, so 110. IPSC name of this element will be, that is 1 is represented by un, no, and again 1 is there, that is un, 0 means nil, okay. And since all are metal, so that is at the end IUM, so that is what will be there, no, nilium, nilium. Now let us check with the option, student. What will be the option? unlinear. Option number 2 is correct, student. Now let us move question number 29. The electronic configuration of elements, this is there 4s1, which is the atomic number of element of the same group which is recently discovered, right? Ab student, if you want to go this one, so 110 is there, 111. So just now we discovered the 110. So 110, what group were there? 110. Its group number was there, that is the 10 period 7. So what they are asking, if 1 increases, student, if you increase plus 1, okay, so you see this one, because one electron is there na, the electronic which is, what is the atomic number of elements recently discovered. Okay, so recently discovered element, if you want to see this, how you will do, that is, let me check this at electronic number 2. This electronic number, you check how many electron, 2 to 4, 6 10 12 6 18 18 10 38 20 no 28 29. So this is 29, student. 29, if you talk about 29, student, 29. So 29, it belongs to, that is copper family, group number 11, group 11. So we have to go, that is recently discovered group 11 element. So how can you be able to solve this? You see, up to 110 we have to, this we have already known, no, up to 100, how much, student? 110 we know. 110 means just now we discovered now, that is group 10, okay, and group 10 period 7. So here is, they are saying group 11, we have to go group 11, copper family. So group 11 means one electron will be added, so atomic number will be what? That is 110 plus 1. So 1 1 1, and that is 7 period group, how much? 11. So you check with option. So that is correct option will be option number 3. Option number 3 is correct option. Question number 29, option number 3 is correct. Now let us move question number 30. In modern periodic table, okay, in modern periodic table, elements are arranged in increasing order of atomic number. Where is the option? Increasing order of atomic. Option number 3 is correct, student. Now let us move next question. Element of first B are called. First B are called transition element. First A are there. First A2, first A2 will be, that is 7th A. First A2 7th A, student. First A2 7th A, that is S and P block. S and P block. Okay, this you keep in mind. And then when you are coming first B2, 7th B, first B2 7th B, that is D block. And D block means what, student? Transition element. D block means transition elements. Okay, transition elements. Next you go, next one, question number 32. Group 18, zero group element are based called noble gases. Okay, all are inactive, this all are there, but noble gases is there. Main name. 33. The phrase periodicity in the properties of elements means, periodicity means repetition, means that the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic number similarities. Okay, reoccur after fixed interval. That is correct one is option number 1. 33. The correct number option is, will be reoccur after certain regular interval, fixed interval or certain regular interval. Reoccur after certain word is correct word is, student. In chemistry certain word we use, that is not fixed, certain interval. So that is 33. Option number is 2 is there, because fixed is not possible, student, because for different period this is the number of elements are different. So that is first from vertical group, this all are wrong, that is only second is correct. Incompletely filled orbital in representative elements are, okay, that is S and P block element. Representative elements, student, again and again I am writing, that is representative, okay, elements. If you are saying, that is means all type of elements, solid, liquid, gas, metal, non-metal, metallites. That is what is S and P block, except what, except student, except 18 group. Okay, so that is our answer will be S and P block. So option number 1 is correct. Okay, now let us move the next problem 35. The name rare earth is used for. Rare earth is used for. Rare earth is used for lanthanides element, student. Lanthanide, because they are the rarely occurs in nature, student. Very very rare amount of present in the earth crust. That is lanthanides. Okay. So correct option is option number 1. Question number 26. Which one of the following is not a characteristics of p block element? Okay, not a characteristics of p block element. Okay, so that is, if you see the least electron, the last electron enters into p orbital, that is very correct. They are mostly covalent, very good. Non-metal are mostly covalent. If any row the metallic character decreases from left to right, decreases from left to right, okay, increases right to left, this side metallic character decreases, okay, left to right. The oxidizing power decrease, no, oxidizing power, that is increases. Oxidizing power of non-metal always increases and metal, that is decreases. So correct option, we required option will be option number 4. Okay, because they are asking wrong statement. No, which one of the following is not a characteristic? So that is option, the oxidizing power of decreases from left to right. Question number 37. Move question. The sixth period of the periodic table contain. The sixth period of periodic table contain 2 S block and 6 P block element. The sixth period of periodic table contain. Sixth period means what, student? Sixth period, if you go, that is all are there, S, P, D and F. Okay, 32 elements. 32 elements. So that is which will be 2. This is correct. 14F correct. 10D. All of above, student. All of above. So option number 37, 4 is correct. Now let us move 38. The general electronic configuration of element of carbon family. Carbon is what is 6. That is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, 2p2. So NS2 NP2 is correct. NS2 NP2. So correct option is option number 4. 38, option 4 is correct. 39. The starting element of fifth period is, fifth period. So that is first one hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium and rubidium. So this is first period, second period, third period, fourth period and fifth period. So rubidium is correct answer. So that is option number 2. Which of these does not reflect the periodicity of the element? Bonding behavior, electronegativity, ionization potential, neutron proton ratio. Do not know, this is not the related with periodicity. Bonding, same group, same number of bond. Electronegativity, same group, similar negativity. Ionization also left to right increases. Electronegativity also increases left to right. So required answer is option number 4. The atomicity of noble gas is 1, because noble gas like that helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, they do not, they do not combine with any element. So their atomicity are 1 only. The elements with atomic number 19 is 19. 19 means potassium. 19 means potassium. You see, that is 1. This is the 3. This is 11. This is 19. Potassium, and potassium is what? Alkali metal. Okay, alkali metals. Group 1 elements. Group 1. So which is correct option? And alkali metal, option number 4 is correct. A pair of atomic number which belongs to S block element. S block. So that is S block 7, 5. 7 is nitrogen, P block. 6 is carbon, P block. 9 is fluorine. 9 is fluorine. This is also wrong. 3 and 12. Okay, 3 means what, student? Lithium, and 12 means what, student? That is magnesium. And lithium and magnesium, they all are the S block. Okay, both are S block. So required option is option number 4. Question number 44. The element with electronic configuration this much belongs to. So last electron is entering into P, and that is 4p5. So 4p5 means this is the period number. So period number what, student? Period 4. Okay, and this is the azimuthal quantum number, that is block. Okay, so that is fourth period, p block, fourth period p block. So fourth period, you know p block. Okay, what is group? This will be that is the halogen, na? That is halogen. Okay, halogens. So that is seventh, this will be seventh, seventh A group, or you can say 17 group, seventh A group, or is the 17 group. So correct option will be option number 3. For question number 44, option number 3 is the correct option, student. Option number 3, question number 44, option 3 is correct. Next problem, student. Problem number next is what is 45. The element with ns2 np4 as outer electronic configuration is np4, student. np4, see oxygen, you see oxygen, if you see 8 is there, so 1s2 2s2 2p4 2 to 4 4 8 2 to 4 4 8. So this belongs to which family, student? Chalcogen. Chalcogen means ores forming elements, student. Chalcogens means ore forming elements. Okay, here I am writing chalcogens. Chalcogens means they form the ore of metals, ores of elements. So those those groups which form the ores are known as chalcogens. 46. If the differentiating electron enters 1 minus 1 d subcell, the elements is d block configuration is, if you go d block, student, so what is configuration? ns1 to 2 nd one no, and here is what is, again I am writing, student, ns, what is there, n s ns 1 to 2 n minus 1 d 1 to 10. So this is the d block element, that is transition element. Correct option will be option number 4. Okay, next 47. Atoms of 3 of their outermost orbital incompletely filled with electrons are represented in. So all the 3 they are saying that is incompletely filled. Okay, so means S is incomplete, P is incomplete, and that is what is D is incomplete. So that will belongs to F is all, no, so that will be lanthanide, student. S block not possible, transition not possible, represented. So all are vacant means that is lanthanides only. So option number 1 is correct, student. Now let us move the next one. If you want to see, student, what is the next? 48. The name of the element with atomic number 100 was adopted in honor was Enrique Fermi. Enrique Fermi. Option number 2 is correct. Nothing is there. Memory based question. For inner transition element exhibit different color compounds on account of unfilled orbital. Inner transition element exhibit different color compounds on account of that is an unfilled f orbital. Okay, 49, if you want to see, student, 49, that is 2. Inner transition means what, student? If you see, that is inner transition. Inner transition means what, student? F block element, F block elements. Okay, and if anyone is asking transition, student, transition element, transition, if you talk about transition, that will be D block. Okay, that will be D block, right? So total number of elements in the group 11 is, group 11, how many are there, student? 3 were there, 5 not possible, 7 9 not possible. Recently one more discover 1 so it become the 4th now, but in the book it will be 3 given, student. So keep in mind. This is all about this video lecture. Next question we will do in the another video. Thank you so much for watching, friends.